COVID-19 or coronavirus has been a major topic of concern ever since it first evolved in the state of Wuhan, China in the year 2019. After that, we can see that this virus has gone through many mutations, and now the recent mutation of this virus is the OMICRON variant. The natural property of a virus is its mutation. Each and every virus, when it enters into a human body, it tries to mutate, multiply, and thus a different variant or the mutant of the virus is formed. The same has happened with coronavirus. When the pandemic first began in March 2020, the major concern was the alpha variant of this virus. In the year 2021 April, a second surge of this virus was the Delta variant, which caused many deaths across the globe and also in India. This virus has again mutated, and now Omicron variant has been formed. The basic signs and symptoms of this mutated variant are the same as the Delta variant, but the virulence, that is the infectivity of this variant, may be high as compared to the Delta. The basic guidelines to keep oneself safe from this deadly variant is that we follow the same rules which we had followed back then, that is to sanitize your hands properly, and whenever we go out, please carry a hand sanitizer with yourself. One of the major methods of transfer of this virus is through fomites. The virus can stay on the surfaces which comes in our daily contacts, and in case we do not sanitize our hands after touching these surfaces and accidentally we place those dirty hands on our nose or mouth, there is an increased chance of the virus getting transferred into our body. Therefore, whenever we go out or whenever we touch any surface outside, it is very important to sanitize your hands so that you do not carry this virus. The next major and important step in controlling the spread of this virus is to use a face mask. Now, we have been using face mask from the year 2020 when the pandemic first began, and it is still advisable to do the same and not be lenient against it. Whenever you go out, wear a good mask, say a N95, or wear a double surgical mask or even a double cloth mask for that matter. You can wash, sun dry and reuse the face mask again. N95 is advisable especially if you are traveling long distance or in cases where you have to go to some crowded places. In these cases, N95 is a must, and it is also advisable to use disposable gloves so that you do not come in contact with any fomites around you, and after you reach home you can dispose it off. The next important point is vaccinate yourself if you haven't already, and in case if you show symptoms of persistent fever, cough, cold, malaise or stomach pain, headaches, please contact your physician and do not be hesitant about it. Do not self-medicate and ignore these symptoms saying it is just a minor one, because many people have lost their lives in the Delta surge which occurred in April 2021. So be prudent about your own health and visit your consultant whenever necessary. I hope you found this video informative and useful. Do share it with your family, friends and loved one, and spread the awareness of using a face mask, of using a hand sanitizer, disposable gloves, getting vaccinated if they haven't already, and consulting a physician whenever they are presenting with any symptoms. Thank you.